So here we have an auction ending in 9 hours and 55 minutes. You need to log in to bid. There are 116 people watching the auction. It's on Current Classic. It's a 1999 Lotus Elise S1. The car in this picture looks beautiful, very clean, beautiful car. The owner has gone out of his way to clean this car and get a nice picture. So let's look at the ad. So highlights. This is the winner of the Best Preserved Young Timer Award at the Vicenza Classic Car Show in 2024. It's a rare original British racing green color scheme, original wheels with ultralight MMC discs, new Yokohama Niova RS tires, registered with the Automotive Club Storico Italiano, the ASI, the known ASI. The mileage is 78,525 kilometers, engine size 1800, private seller. The car is in Parua, Italy, and the auction ends today at 6 o'clock, 10 after 6. There's a good bidding history here, and as we said before, there are 116 people watching the car. The particular car is presented in classic British racing green, is in such good condition that it was recently awarded a prize at the Vicenza Classic Car Show in 2024. It's got some accessories, important as the owner claims, that further enhance its performance, including a Jan Speed sports exhaust, a sports air filter, and a 4-finned rear racing diffuser to increase downforce. It's got some recent maintenance, which includes a complete service, new timing kit, which is important, water pump, and completely replaced ignition system. Important work that ensures that the stunning car is in truly fabulous condition, ready for its lucky new owner. History and documentation. The car is registered in 1996. It's an original left-hand drive, valid overhaul, I don't know what that means. Winner of the Best Preserved Young Timer Award at the Vicenza Classic Car Show in 2024, that's pretty recent. Registered with ASI, and the odometer reading again is 78,525 kilometers. The condition is always, the car is always stored indoors, and we can actually see that. The car is really, really clean. The bodywork is really nice, no visible defects. Canvas roof is as new. We'll see that in the pictures later on, I think. Instrumentation is clear and readable, and silver trim and bezels appear in splendid shape. The mechanics, it's got the Rover K Series 1.8 liter engine, 5-speed manual gearbox, 10-speed sports exhaust, sports air filter, aluminum rear bonnet, lightweight aluminum 4-fin racing rear diffuser. The cooling system flushed and antifreeze replaced. That's good. Ignition system completely replaced. Distributor cap, distributor brush, cables, spark plugs, and battery. And the site has been informed that the mechanics of this car are in excellent condition. They detect no visible defects, and it's evident that the car has been maintained with great care. Yeah, it looks really clean and really good. So let's look at the pictures. The car looks really nice, nice setting, Italian car, British heritage, looks really nice and clean. This auction ends soon, so you can log in on Current Classic and watch it. Watch the auction or bid. Let's see what pictures we want to see a little better. Let's look at the instrumentation. The owner claims that it's readable, and it is indeed. Looks really good. New battery, car cover, and everything. So the car right now, the current bid is at 22,250. The reserve hasn't been met yet. So we'll follow this and see where it ends.